Have you ever wondered why data analytics tools have become so vital in today's world? This question might seem a bit heavy for a casual conversation, but in the realm of business and technology, it's a topic that's of utmost importance. Data analytics tools are like the compasses of the digital era, guiding businesses through the vast ocean of data. These tools are the unsung heroes that help businesses navigate through the complex maze of data, transforming it into meaningful information. They are the magic wands that turn raw, unstructured data into insightful, actionable intelligence. In the current digital age, data is the new oil. Just like crude oil needs refining to be useful, data too needs to be processed and analyzed to extract valuable insights. This is where data analytics tools come into play. They help businesses make informed decisions, understand market trends, and facilitate efficient operations. Imagine a fast food chain trying to decide on its next promotional offer. Without data analytics, they would be shooting in the dark, basing their decisions on mere hunches. But with the power of data analytics tools, they can analyze past sales, customer preferences, and market trends to come up with an offer that's most likely to succeed. The evolution of data analytics tools over the years has been nothing short of remarkable. From basic spreadsheet tools to sophisticated software capable of analyzing and visualizing huge volumes of data in real time, these tools have come a long way. They have made data analysis accessible, scalable, and efficient, opening up a world of opportunities for businesses of all sizes and across all industries. So next time you see a business making a strategic move or launching a new product, remember, there's a good chance data analytics tools played a crucial role in that decision. As we delve deeper into the world of data analytics, we'll explore the various tools that make data analysis a breeze. Stay tuned as we unravel the power and potential of data analytics tools in the upcoming scenes. There's a plethora of data analytics tools out there, each with its own unique features and capabilities. Today, we're going to look at these tools, divided into 4 major categories: statistical analysis systems, data visualization software, big data tools, and business intelligence platforms. Let's start with statistical analysis systems. These tools are the workhorses of data analytics, providing a robust framework for manipulating and analyzing large data sets. They're designed to handle everything from simple descriptive statistics to complex predictive modeling. Some of the most popular statistical analysis systems include SAS, SPSS, and R. These tools are favored by statisticians and data scientists for their power, flexibility, and the wide range of statistical tests they support. Next up, data visualization software. This category of tools helps make sense of complex data by transforming it into visual forms such as charts, graphs, and maps. Visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, and QlikView are widely used because they make data more understandable and accessible, enabling users to quickly identify patterns, trends, and outliers that might go unnoticed in raw numerical data. Now, let's talk about big data tools. With the explosion of data in the digital age, traditional data analytics tools often fall short when dealing with the volume, velocity, and variety of big data. That's where big data tools come in. Tools like Hadoop, Spark, and Hive are designed to process and analyze massive data sets, often across distributed computing environments. These tools are key to unlocking insights from big data, from social media feeds to machine-generated data. Lastly, we have business intelligence platforms. These tools are designed to help businesses make more informed decisions by providing a holistic view of their data. Business intelligence platforms like Microsoft Power BI, Oracle BI, and SAP Business Objects offer features like reporting, dashboards, and data warehousing, enabling businesses to track performance, identify opportunities, and forecast trends. Each of these categories serves a distinct purpose in the world of data analytics. Statistical analysis systems provide the mathematical backbone for data analysis. Data visualization tools help interpret and present data in meaningful ways. Big data tools tackle the challenges of analyzing large-scale data, and business intelligence platforms translate data into actionable business insights. Of course, these categories aren't mutually exclusive. Many tools offer capabilities across multiple categories, and it's common for data professionals to use a mix of tools depending on the task at hand. The key is to understand the strengths and limitations of each type of tool and to choose the right tool for the job. Now that we've got a grasp on the types of tools, let's delve into some popular examples. From Microsoft Power BI to Tableau, there's no shortage of powerful data analytics tools. And that's what we're going to delve into right now. Let's kick off with the giant in the room, Microsoft Power BI. This tool has been a game changer in the world of data analytics. Power BI allows users to transform raw data into meaningful insights through interactive visualizations and business intelligence capabilities. It's a user-friendly tool, even for non-tech savvy users, and it's known for its seamless integration with other Microsoft products. If you're already using Excel or Azure, Power BI can be a natural extension of your data handling processes. Next up, Tableau. This tool is a favorite among data scientists and analysts for its advanced visual analytics features. Tableau's strength lies in its ability to create complex, beautiful visualizations from data, making the analysis process more intuitive and engaging. It's also renowned for its flexibility. You can connect Tableau to nearly any data source, from Excel spreadsheets to SQL servers, making it a versatile choice for diverse data landscapes. Moving on, we have SAS, or Statistical Analysis System. This tool has been around since the 70s, and it's still going strong. SAS is known for its robust statistical analysis capabilities, offering a wide range of techniques from simple descriptive statistics to complex predictive modeling. It also offers a suite of data management, reporting, and graphics tools. However, SAS is not as user-friendly as Power BI or Tableau, and it may require some technical expertise to leverage its full potential. Then there's R, a programming language specifically designed for data analytics. While it's not a standalone tool like the others, R's importance in the data analytics world can't be overlooked. It's incredibly powerful, capable of handling complex statistical analyses and creating high-quality graphics. It's also open source, meaning it's free to use and constantly evolving. However, R has a steep learning curve and might be more suitable for those with a programming background. Last but not least, let's talk about Python. Like R, Python is a programming language, but it's more versatile, being used in a wide range of applications beyond data analysis. In the world of data analytics, Python is loved for its simplicity, flexibility, and the extensive libraries it offers for data manipulation and analysis, like Pandas and NumPy. But similar to R, Python requires coding skills, which might be a barrier for some. Each of these tools has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all share a common goal: to simplify data analysis. Whether you're a business owner looking to understand customer behavior, a researcher exploring complex data sets, or a student just dipping your toes into the world of data, there's a tool out there that's just right for you. As technology continues to evolve, so does the field of data analytics. We are witnessing an exciting era where new trends and advancements are shaping the landscape of data analysis. One such trend is predictive analytics. Predictive analytics uses historical data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes. In essence, it's like having a crystal ball that can predict what's likely to happen based on what has happened in the past. This ability to foresee the future is proving invaluable in sectors like healthcare, finance, and retail, where anticipating customer behavior or market trends can make all the difference. Then there's machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence that's making waves in the data analytics sphere. Machine learning algorithms learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. This means they can uncover hidden patterns and insights that would otherwise remain undiscovered. Machine learning is revolutionizing everything from content recommendation to fraud detection, and its influence is only set to grow. Real-time analytics is another emerging trend that's changing the game. In an increasingly connected world, the ability to analyze data as it's generated in real time is becoming a necessity. Real-time analytics allows businesses to respond to changes and opportunities immediately, whether it's reacting to a sudden spike in website traffic or adjusting a marketing campaign in response to immediate feedback. These trends are not just transforming the way we analyze data, but they're also influencing the development of new tools and technologies. For instance, we're seeing data analysis software becoming more intuitive and user-friendly, thanks to advancements in machine learning. Similarly, predictive analytics is driving the development of sophisticated forecasting tools, while real-time analytics is leading to the creation of platforms that can process and analyze data at lightning speed. These trends are poised to redefine the future of data analytics, making it more efficient and insightful than ever before. As we wrap up, let's revisit some of the key points we've discussed today. We started off by recognizing the importance of data analytics tools. In this digital age, these tools are no longer a luxury, but a necessity. They help businesses sift through massive amounts of data, identify patterns, and make informed decisions. In short, they turn raw data into meaningful insights. Then we delved into the different types of data analytics tools. We've got descriptive analytics tools that give us a snapshot of past events. Diagnostic analytics tools help us understand why those events happened. Predictive analytics tools forecast future events based on historical data. And last but not least, prescriptive analytics tools recommend actions to achieve specific goals. We also explored some popular data analytics tools. From Microsoft Power BI's interactive visualizations to Tableau's user-friendly interface, these software solutions have revolutionized the way we analyze data. And let's not forget about Python and R, two programming languages that offer immense flexibility and power for data analysis. Finally, we discussed emerging trends in data analytics. The rise of real-time analytics, the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning, and the advent of edge computing are reshaping the landscape of data analytics. These advancements not only enhance the efficiency and accuracy of data analysis, but also open up new possibilities for businesses. In this fast-paced, data-driven world, staying updated with the latest tools and technologies is crucial. It's not just about keeping up with the trends, but about leveraging these tools to gain a competitive edge. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a data scientist, or a business leader, understanding and utilizing these tools can make a world of difference. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep innovating. The world of data analytics is vast and full of potential. Unleash that potential and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Remember, the right data analytics tool can turn a sea of data into actionable insights, driving success in any business venture.